After a long decade and a half, the 5th generation of the 4Runner is over, replaced by this new 6th generation model. The model uses the new Tacoma pickup truck for 2024 as its base and features more modern features while maintaining a solid exterior design. The exterior styling is heavily influenced by the new Tacoma, while the interior is pretty much the same, which again isn't surprising given their long history. Longtime fans will be pleased to know the power roll-down rear window is back, and longtime fans will appreciate that the liftgate itself can also be powered. OG fans who remember the first-generation 4Runners of the 1980s will love the return of the curved wrap-over rear window to the roof for a bit of a safari look. The maximum towing capacity for the Toyota 4Runner 2025 is 6,000 pounds, a strong figure compared to many of its competitors. That represents a 1,000-pound increase over the previous generation 4Runner and more than the Jeep Wrangler's maximum. Anyone mourning the passing of the V6 should be comforted to know the new powertrain is more powerful and possibly more efficient. The lower trim shakes up Toyota's familiar 2.4-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine, producing 278 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of power. The engine works through an 8-speed and 2-speed low-range automatic 4-wheel drive transfer case. Higher trims get a hybrid version that inserts a 48-horsepower electric motor between the engine and transmission and ditches the starter motor. With the electric power boost, the combined total output increased to 326 horsepower and 425 lb-ft. Seeing the word hybrid might bring up thoughts of a taller Prius, but that doesn't apply here. With just one electric motor, and a fairly tame motor, the 4Runner likely won't do much for just driving an electric vehicle, especially when you consider its battery storage of just 1.9 kilowatt-hours. If it is similar to the new Tundra, this hybrid system will be tailored to performance, not fuel economy. If you've seen the inside of the new Tacoma, you've seen the inside of the new 4Runner. The design is identical and parallels the same trim level changes in trim materials and accent colors. The 8.0-inch center infotainment screen and 7.0-inch instrument cluster screen are standard equipment. Higher trims have 14.0-inch infotainment and 12.3-inch instrument cluster screens. The Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite of active and passive safety systems is on every new 4Runner, bringing everything from adaptive cruise control to steering assistance. The Platinum model also gets a head-up display and automatic wipers on the driver's side dashboard, which can only be accessed when the door is open. There is a circular hidden compartment with a flap that says "Accessories Ready" in Morse code. It's only about 2 inches deep and 6 inches in diameter, so we still don't know what you should put in it. There's even an optional third row, which Toyota even admits is a last resort when you really need to drive 1 or 2 more kids home from soccer practice. The Trailhunter, TRD Pro, and limited trims you see here represent only a third of the lineup and are all hybrids. There's also the street-focused SR5 and TRD Sport base models and the premium TRD Sport, all of which come with standard engines. The mid-range TRD Off-Road and premium TRD Off-Road trims can be had with either powertrain, as can a luxury-focused limited. Toyota equips each 4Runner with a set of driver assistance features called the TSS 3.0. This system package includes basics such as automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning, as well as more advanced offerings such as adaptive cruise control with lane centering features and a system that can detect if the driver is unresponsive and carrying the vehicle for stop when needed. For more information about the 4Runner crash test results, visit the websites of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety.